Another day, another story. Welcome back to worldwenext. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process of installing CCTV cameras to enhance your home or business security. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this step-by-step guide will help you set up your CCTV system effectively. Let's dive in. Step 1. Planning and preparation. Before you start, it's crucial to plan out your camera placements. Identify vulnerable areas, entry points, and blind spots. Gather your tools including CCTV cameras, power cables, DVR, NVR, monitor, drill, screws, and cables. Step 2. Mounting the cameras. Choose optimal camera locations based on your plan. Use the provided mounting brackets and screws to secure cameras to walls or ceilings. Make sure they're positioned for the best view while minimizing obstructions. Step 3. Routing cables. Carefully route the power and video cables from each camera to your DVR, NVR location. Conceal cables along walls or use cable clips to prevent tripping hazards. Step 4. Setting up the DVR, NVR. Connect the camera's video cables to the DVR, NVR inputs. Plug in the power supply and connect to a monitor or TV. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to set up the initial system configuration. Step 5. Powering cameras. Plug in the camera power adapters and connect them to a reliable power source. If possible, use surge protectors to safeguard against power surges. Step 6. Configuring system settings. Access the DVR, NVR menu using the provided software or remote control. Configure camera names, recording settings, motion detection, and any alerts to suit your needs. Step 7. Remote viewing setup. To monitor your CCTV system remotely, set up port forwarding on your router and create an account with the manufacturer's mobile app or software. Follow their instructions to link your system. Step 8. Testing and fine-tuning. Test each camera's view and adjust angles if necessary. Verify that the DVR, NVR is recording properly and that remote viewing works as expected. Step 9. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Regularly clean camera lenses and check for obstructions. If you encounter issues, consult the user manual, manufacturer's website, or seek professional help. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your own CCTV camera system. Now you can enjoy added security and peace of mind. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.